We are back for our final segment on things that we should not do at networking events. 1, don't interrupt people or their conversations. Don't try to assert yourself. Standing alone, it is awkward, but you gotta get over it. 2, don't come off like a know-it-all. If anything, you should be asking for advice and insights from the people around you. 3, do not say, oh my God, we should grab lunch, or I'm totally gonna reach out to get a coffee with you if you don't mean it. It's okay to say, thank you so much for your time, and walk away. Lastly, know your limits when it comes to alcohol. Most events have a professional photographer, and these photos will be online forever. Thank you all so much for watching. We have a lot more industry-specific content heading your way. We're looking forward to it, so stay tuned. That being said, if you want to be a part of that industry-specific content, please reach out to us. Our contact information is below. Lastly, want to give a big thank you to Angela Cherry and Kirksey & Company for letting us shoot here, and obviously want to give props to Nathan Morgan of Morgan Visual Productions, without whom we could not have made this video.